CSS स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, CSS सेशन 2। Simulation based decisions. Start. What is self management mainly about? Managing your action, emotion and habits. Match the habit of the benefit it gives. Setting a small goals, setting a small goals. Build consistency, taking a pause when stressed, tracking habits, making daily plans. I think making daily plans, taking a pause when stressed, setting a small goals, एक बार और हैबिट करें। सेटिंग स्मॉल गोल्स, बिल्ड कंसिस्टेंसी, टेकिंग अ पाउज व्हेन स्ट्रेस्ड, हेल्प काम द माइंड, ट्रैकिंग हैबिट, शो प्रोग्रेस, मेकिंग डेली प्लान्स, सेव टाइम। कंटिन्यू। अरेंज दीज स्टेप्स इन द राइट ऑर्डर टू बिल्ड ए हेल्दी रूटीन। ओके, गो टू बेड इज द लास्ट, वेक अप एंड स्ट्रेच, take a break and have lunch, stay focused, have breakfast, stay focused, study, take a break, have lunch, do revision. Routine reduce stress by removing uncertainty from a day. Click to reveal. Match the example with the SMART criteria, showing doing what needs to be done, giving full attention, staying calm over time. Showing up every day. I think showing up every day, showing consistency, doing what needs to be done, discipline, giving full attention, showing calm over time. Which of these is not a tip for better self-management? Reflecting on what is working, multitasking when possible, pause when you feel stressed, reward your progress, multitask as much as possible, reflect on what is working. Multitask. What is the one day habit that helps you stay focused? B, C, be disciplined. Click on the time that is usually set aside for physical activity. Self-management helps only in academic life. False. Only tick out. Next. P. Seven by 8. Next. Now we are going with the self-reflection. Start. What is the strongest form of motivation? Internal motivation. Arrange these motivation strategies in a helpful order. Set small goals. surround yourself with. Avoid distractions. Reward yourself. Okay, तो करेक्ट ऑर्डर है रिमाइंड योरसेल्फ विथ यू स्टार्टेड, सेट स्मॉल गोल्स, अवॉइड डिस्ट्रैक्शन, surround yourself with positive people, and the last one, reward yourself. Match the motivation type of its example. Learning because you are curious, studying to win a prize. External है studying to win a prize, internal है you are curious. You always need to feel motivated to keep going. Oh, false. Click to reveal. Watch which of these helps you to bounce back from low motivation. Okay, taking a short break. Click on the area linked to motivation and drive. Not sure. First one. Match the successful trait of its description. Doing one task at a time. Keeping calm over time, patience, daily effort, focus, planning your day wisely. Okay, patience, keeping calm over time, focus, doing one task at a time management, planning your day wisely, consistency, daily effort over time. Motivation remains constant every day, false. What is the one reason that motivates you to keep going even on tough days? My internal motivation. Describe a time you successfully motivated yourself to complete a difficult task. Because of doing work at last is for my benefit. Well, next. Okay, building better routines. Start. Match the following traits to their correct definition. Discipline, doing what needs to be done even with the heart, staying calm through delay, giving full attention to an task. Okay, and showing up every day in a small way. Consistency is also different. Showing up every day in a small way. Focus, मैं ऐसे ही लगा देता हूँ इसका आंसर पूरा करके. Correct answer, good. Which of the following is not a benefit of self-management? Arrange the following steps for a daily student routine in correct order.
922 classroom 10 1922.
Click to reveal. Motivation is always constant and never fades. False. What is one small goal you can set today to improve self-management?
First number.
Trying to speak English. Click the correct area in the daily schedule where the student revise before bed. Match each challenges with the right strategy to stay motivated.
Now is
To someone more. Take smaller steps.
next.
Okay, the right answer is fear of failure. Take smaller steps. Distraction. Protect your focus. Feeling low. Talk to someone you trust. What does a routine help you to avoid? Avoid. What motivates you the most? Internal vision or external vision?
8 seconds.
Internal vision.
Fifty seconds.
Because it motivates me most. Drag and drop activity with structured daily line 7 to a.m.
Fifty seconds.
स्टडी 7 से 11, रेस्ट 11 से 3, प्ले 3 से 5, सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट 5 से 9. Okay, this is also both completed.